Welcome to this Reiki healing for grounding and chakra balancing. Today we will embark on a deep grounding journey to connect with inner peace and balance each of your chakras. Please find a space where you will not be disturbed and then move into a comfortable position. You may sit up straight or lie down, allowing your body to fully relax. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Please consent to accept the Reiki and set the intention to allow it to flow where it needs to for maximum benefit, and take a slow, deep breath in. Exhaling gently, letting go of any tension you may be carrying. As I open up this Reiki energy to begin to flow, imagine, sense, or feel a soft, warm light just above your head, like a gentle stream of healing energy. And this light is infused with Reiki energy, here to cleanse, balance, and ground you. So we will begin by focusing on the crown chakra at the top of your head, and imagine, sense, or feel my hands gently resting there, channeling warmth and peace into this energy center. Feel your connection to the universe strengthen as if you're in tune with something greater. Breathe in and allow yourself to trust the support that flows down from above. Moving to the third eye chakra in the center of your forehead, imagine, sense, or feel my hands softly covering this space, helping you to open and clear any blockages in your intuition. Feel a sense of clarity as the Reiki energy flows, helping you release overthinking or stress. Breathe and sense the calm, the clarity settling within. Bringing that attention to the throat chakra, imagine, sense, or feel my hands resting gently at your throat, just hovering slightly above that area, opening this space for expression and truth. And you can imagine and feel or sense or just know that there's warmth spreading from my hands, soothing any tension in your neck and jaw. Allow yourself to release anything unsaid, letting go of what you've been holding back. And with each breath, feel your authentic voice rise. Beautiful. Moving to the heart chakra now. I'd invite you to place your own hands on your heart if it feels comfortable. And then you could imagine, sense, or feel my hands layered over yours, radiating love and compassion into this center. Bringing that awareness to the solar plex chakra, just above your navel, that space. Imagine, sense, or feel my hands there gently warming this center where your personal power resides. Inviting you to breathe into this space, letting go of self-doubt and uncertainty. And as you do, you may feel, sense, or just even know that strength and confidence are flowing into you with each breath as a reminder of your power and your purpose. Moving to the sacral chakra just below the navel. Imagine, sense, or feel my hands resting there, soothing and balancing. Feel this space opening to creativity, joy, and pleasure. With each inhale, welcome freedom and flow. And with each exhale, releasing any guilt or shame. Allow yourself to feel the joy of simply being, reconnecting with your creative energy. Just observing what's coming up. Not thinking too much about what your mind is trying to bring into the experience, but just observing everything. Returning back to the breath if necessary. So we can finally ground deeply at the root chakra at the base of your spine. And my hands are hovering over this entire lower area of the body, connecting you firmly to the earth. Feel this grounding energy anchoring you. Imagine, sense, or feel you have these strong roots coming out of the soles of your feet, going deep into the earth and anchoring you so strong and stable, reminding you that you are safe and supported and deeply rooted. And with every breath, you allow yourself to sink into this feeling of stability. And as you do, you're releasing any fears or worries deep down into the earth to be transmuted with the help of this powerful healing energy you've consented and intended to happen during this process. And just take a few breaths, sensing this grounding energy flowing up from the root and expanding through each chakra. Imagining each one aligned and balanced, infused with healing energy, carrying a sense of peace throughout your entire being. Going from the root to the sacral, to the solar plex, to the heart, to the throat, to the third eye, all up through the crown into the cosmos. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Taking a moment to integrate this healing, sealing in this Reiki healing today, clearing away any residual energy that may arise to the surface, covering you with a golden blanket of healing light. Giving thanks to the Reiki masters who have come before for the gift of this powerful healing energy, the archangels, the ascended masters, the guides of the highest light. Thank you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling grounded, balanced, and connected. Thank you so much for sharing this Reiki journey with me. And if this experience has brought you peace, maybe consider sharing it with someone else who may need some grounding and balancing today. It has been an honor to be of service. Namaste.